In this video, we are going to be analysing Meta. Now, this is a key one. We did do an analysis on this a few days ago coming into earnings, but what is key to watch now is we are continuing this downtrend, and what you could consider this level basically retested. Again, whenever we say we're looking for a breakout of a level, we want to see the break below it, come back to retest it, and then the fade. So we have kind of pulled back. We did on kind of yesterday, kind of pull back. But now we're looking to fade back down. So again, this is a bit of an iffy one. Some people are going to consider this retested, some people aren't. So if you consider that retested, there is a good indication that we're going to push down to around $73. And really in general, if we just start to continue to fade down, $73 is going to be that key support level. Now, we got battered on whenever they had earnings. I mean, we fell 20% or whatever it was, quite heavy. And now today we're getting hammered even more. I believe this is mainly just going to be on news on that Instagram was banning random users. Let me know in the comments as well if you got banned. I personally got banned on both of my accounts. I've got one back now, one's still banned. But anyway, if we do continue down, that's going to be that key support we'll be paying attention to. If we break that, this would be getting very kind of oversold, and definitely levels I'd be looking to buy, especially on the investment portfolio. I mean, even now it's pretty good value on the investment portfolio, something I'm personally stacking it up on, or just buying gradually as we continue to fade in price, because anytime we're under 100 really on Meta, I was always going to be buying. Now, if we continue to fade, again, $73 is going to be that key support. Now though, if we start to push up, what are going to be these key resistances? Again, 102 is going to be key, because it hasn't actually perfectly retested this level, which is something we usually look for, kind of a premature touch and then a fade. So you may be looking for that retouch of kind of the 102.40 before continuing down, or you just waiting for the break above. If you're waiting for that break above, what would be our target pushing us back? And then really we would have a level going to around $131. This would be our statistical mean on the 6 month. So definitely a level you could be looking at to trade to, not a level we look to trade off. And what do I mean by that? If you're holding the stock long, we would look to close our position coming into that level, because this is just where we expect the stock to reverse to. But considering we expect the stock to reverse to this level, we don't want to actually take a position coming into this level, because we don't really know where it's going to go from there. It's not reversing to a fair value or anything like that. It's kind of at fair value. If any news comes out, it'll probably spike quite harsh in either direction, and that's why whenever we're at statistical mean, we tend to have a closed position. Now though, if we break that and continued up, and probably not something we need to focus on too much for the time being, considering we are now more weak on this stock, but we would have targets at 160 and 175. And again, they're the only ones we'll note for now, just because it's so far off. When we come back to these values, we would definitely have a new video up on the channel. But really our key focus now is between the kind of $130 to $73, just kind of considering where it's going to go and kind of trading off these ranges and anticipation of moves from them. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the breakdown on Meta. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe? Let me know if you're looking to trade it or invest in Meta at these kind of levels. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed it. Drop a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.